how we do that.
That's how we do that, boy. Hey, good morning, party people. It's Connor here with my good buddy Clay. Clay, can I see you in that? Where you at?
Hello.
There's the Clay. We are out here in Granger, Iowa today, walking into the backyard of our job site. So I hope you love that sunlight just stabbing you in your retinas through these camera lenses. But hey, we got a little one-day pondless to build. Come join us on this journey in Granger, Iowa, as we play with stone we don't play with often and build a water feature. Alright guys, well we're gonna pause this music so we don't get sad on the job site. Bangers. Alright, well we got our liner in. We got some fabric to put in. We got the blocks and the vault to put in. But due to the power of us being magicians, those are all already in right now. Boom, bow, basin. Look at that. We're all basined in. We got it all backfilled. It's tight, it's pretty. We're gonna work our way up. Fold this down. Dig out some stuff behind it, start bringing a rock down from up top, figure out how it's going to go together, put it together, and boom, you got a water feature.
Just got to add the water. Just add water.
Just add water.
Well, it's supposed to be a video showing off the rain, but you can just enjoy Connor's musical abilities. All right, so now that we're done destroying rocks, smashing rocks, we're now placing rocks and building the feature. We've got one working on 2 waterfalls. This one is gonna be pretty cool. Gonna have water whipping around, coming down here, a little splash off that, if everything works the way we want it to. Connor's putting in the second one, going for a nice, clean, crisp sheet fall right there. Got one more waterfall after that.
Alright guys, so here's what we're looking like, getting close to the end of this day. Was going to be a one-day build, little bit of rain and sleet and some other little mishaps, but this is where we're at. We got our bottom fall built, our middle fall built. We got a lot of our rock work down in the whole stream. We got about 4 more rocks to set up top there around that spillway box. Once we get our plumbing line hooked into it, we're gonna get all this graded out, down and around. We got some grade stones set. We'll get this berm nice and shaped before the end of the day. And then before we leave, we're gonna get this to have running water on it to the point where it's just some edging work, touch-up work, cleanup work, and stuff like that for us to come back and do tomorrow. So let's see how much we can get done in the last little bit of daylight. We're all finished up. Let's take a peek.